Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Mudassir. Today we will discuss the lecture 9 of DSP, in which we will discuss the Fourier transform in detail and its uses. First of all, let us discuss the Fourier transform. The decomposition of time domain to the frequency domain is called the Fourier transform of a signal if in general. So now, what is a Fourier transform and why it is required? We will move on to this step, but first of all, let us consider an example in which we have a signal like that, in which there is a 6 hertz frequency and have an amplitude of 25 dB. It isn't given in the time domain, so when we analyze it in the frequency domain, it will become just a spike of 6 hertz, which will have an amplitude of 25. Now, looking at both the signals of time domain as well as the frequency domain, it can be clearly analyzed that both the signal are the frequency domain signal is quite easy and properly apprehended as compared to that of time domain, in which the signal looks quite complex. So it is one of the benefits of Fourier transform that it makes the signal quite easy. Now, looking to the formulas of Fourier transform, it has become quite a phenomenon to use the formulas because it is quite a complex method. So by using the formulas and other methods, the formula help us to analyze the signal more quickly to the Fourier transform. If the formula is it is in the time domain, the formula will be minus infinity to infinity of integration x of t e minus j omega t dt. If it is in inverse, if we want to inverse the inverse Fourier transform, it will have a 1 over 2 pi minus infinity to infinity integration x j omega e j omega dt. So first of all, now we will move on to the important question that why to use Fourier transform at all. First of all, as we have clearly know that it will make the signal and analysis more easy. A complex signal will be broke down and it will make us easy to comprehend the signals. And the compression and decompression and many other techniques that could be utilized for the modulation and other important aspects of signals and systems that could only be done if the signal is in the Fourier transform. So it is in the best interest of ours to use and properly apprehend the methods so that we could properly manage the methods to enhance and apply these methods to the general abilities. So these are the benefits of Fourier transform. Many more benefits are there, but due to the shortage of time and want to convey the message convenient as we can, we have broke it down to the simplest of forms. So all we need to know is that it makes the signal complex signals into the easy form, and it will make the signal easy to comprehend, and other techniques that are important for the signals to transform from one place to another will be applicable to them. That's all for today. See you tomorrow.